Welcome to Lesson 4.2, How to Stay Safe on Social Media. Today, we'll explore practical strategies to protect your personal information, maintain privacy, and make smart choices while sharing online. Staying safe on social media isn't just about security, it's also about building a positive online presence. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to safeguard your personal information, adjust privacy settings, and think critically about the content you share. We'll also discuss how your online actions can impact your reputation and personal safety. Importance of safety. Social media safety is more important than ever in today's digital world. Protecting your personal information helps prevent identity theft, keeps your account secure, and ensures that you share responsibly. A safe online presence also allows you to interact with others confidently, without unnecessary risks. Avoid oversharing. Oversharing can create serious risks. Sharing personal details, like your address or phone number, may attract unwanted attention or put your identity at risk. Even vacation posts can be risky. If you announce that your home is empty, it could lead to theft or other problems. A good rule is to pause and consider, do I really need to post this right now? Manage privacy settings. Controlling who sees your content is key to staying safe. Adjust your account visibility so only trusted friends and family can view your personal information. Also, manage tagging settings carefully. This lets you control who can tag you in posts or photos, helping you avoid discomfort or unwanted exposure. Disable location tagging. Sharing your location may seem harmless, but it can put you at risk. Malicious individuals can track your movements online or offline. By disabling location tagging, you protect your privacy and reduce the chances of being followed or stalked. Understand app permissions. Many apps request access to your camera or microphone. While some permissions are necessary, granting access without caution can allow apps to record photos, videos, or audio without your knowledge. Always check app permissions carefully and only allow access when it's truly needed, keeping your personal conversations and activities private. Think before posting. Everything you post contributes to your digital footprint, your lasting online presence. Think about how your content might be perceived by others, including potential employers, colleagues, or friends. Maintaining a positive reputation online protects your opportunities and relationships, both now and in the future. Sharing is great, but thinking first is even better. Pause before posting, question whether it's safe, and always consider the impact on your privacy and reputation. By adopting these habits, you'll enjoy social media while staying protected and responsible.